right, let's take a look at this Porsche because this Porsche is not one that you see often, and this one is very, very special. Look at this. Oh, so beautiful. Look at this engine bay. What? This thing is clean. Wow, 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 wow. Look at this interior. I'm just gonna pause here and let you admire this. Wow. Look how smooth, how beautiful this body line curvature is. Oh, can you tell that I want one? I don't know. Have I made it clear enough? This is a Franklin 356 custom Porsche. This is a 1960. You can read this real quick. But let's get back to the car. Wow. These wheels are heaven. Look at the interior. My, oh my. Wow, 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 wow. No words, just wow. Wow, look at that third brake light where it's mounted up on the roof. The design, it just never stops. It just never stops. Incredible, just incredible.